Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since August 19th, 2025, our system has categorized Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.9. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock finds itself in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The current 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 20.97% over the next 3 months, with a possible outcome ranging from a decline of 29.82% to a drop of 6.78%. Turning to the longer term, our analysis over 12 months suggests a projected change of about -16.47%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary widely, between a significant decline of 79.88% to an increase of 113.37% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would translate to a future price that falls somewhere between $3.50 and $37.15. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, "A very red day for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price after a decline of 5.43% in the Tuesday trading session." The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 5.43% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, dropping from $18.41 to $17.41. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.63%, getting a low of $17.40 and a high of $18.38. The price has been experiencing volatility during this period, with a total gain of 6.22% over the last 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume increased by 1 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices, which may signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 6 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $98.37 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the stock price is 68.16%, or $37.27, below the 52-week high, and 78.07%, or $61.97, below the all-time high, which was achieved on March 26, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media, also known as DJT, is accelerating its pivot towards a cryptocurrency-first approach. The company has submitted an amended S-1 filing to bring a Truth Social Bitcoin exchange-traded fund closer to the market. This fund will be custodied by Crypto.com and is expected to launch later this year. In its recent quarter, the company reported more than $3 billion in financial assets, which positions it among the firms with the largest Bitcoin treasuries in the public sector, and it marked its first quarter of positive operating cash flow. Simultaneously, Trump Media is expanding content on Truth Plus with GB News and a Great American Media catalog, and it has begun public beta testing an artificial intelligence search feature. However, challenges remain. Independent coverage indicates that second quarter revenue may fall below $1 million, along with significant operating losses excluding legal expenses and an exceptionally high sales multiple. Additionally, CEO Devin Nunes recently lost a defamation lawsuit, which adds further reputational and legal risks. In the short term, progress on the exchange-traded fund and any potential Bitcoin rally could enhance DJT's share price, trading volume, and volatility. Yet, weak core revenues continue to leave the fundamentals in a fragile state. In the long run, achieving sustainable growth will depend on monetizing streaming and financial technology products, effectively executing the exchange-traded fund and token strategy, and navigating regulatory and legal challenges. Failure to address these areas could lead to significant declines. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio, a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 6, 2025, and so far it has risen 7.14%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, which may influence near short-term development. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections upward, there will be some resistance from the lines at $17.80 and $18.18. A break above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 11 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, a sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average, a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal from 132 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 127 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $17.40. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by 98 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 5.63%. Over the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.72%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could imply risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $17.40. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of August, 2025, Glebe Scott conducted an insider purchase of 142,396 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Glebe Scott also conducted an insider sale of 13,151 shares of common stock, with the same par value. Additionally, on the 6th of August, 2025, Novotny Vladimir made an insider purchase of 142,396 shares of common stock, also with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On that same date, Novotny Vladimir conducted an insider sale of 18,120 shares of common stock, maintaining the same par value. On the 6th of August, 2025, Juhan Philip carried out an insider purchase of 142,396 shares of common stock, again with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 77 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 19.590. In total, insiders bought 226,953,307 shares and sold 116,045,810 shares in these 77 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation currently displays several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate continued weak performance over the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a recommendation to buy to a recommendation to sell. Following an analysis of volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 20th of August, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by 320 cents, starting at a price of $17.73. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.